Hi everyone, this is Kay and I have Heidi here. So we are working on her liners. I'm gonna have you open your eye for me. It's beautiful. So we're about 90% with her liner. So go ahead and close your eyes. I am at the perfection steps. So right now I'm using 3RL, and I'm going really closely to the outline because my 3RL machine at the academy. If you ask me why do I pack the color in, yes, because you have to pack the color in, especially with eyeliners. If you don't pack the color in, the color will not retain well. So you have to really pack it in dark.
I think I have to turn off the hit.
We'll turn the music.
We kind of already did, but that's all right.
Huh?